Dark cottagecore, also known as goth cottagecore, offers a moody twist on the traditional cottagecore aesthetic, merging its love for nature and vintage style with elements of witchcraft and dark fairy tales. This aesthetic embraces a color palette of earthy hues and deep tones, such as forest greens, slate grays, and autumnal oranges, often incorporating heavier fabrics like velvet and chunky knits alongside flowy materials. Outfits typically consist of layered pieces like dark colored overalls, vintage blouses, and chunky knit sweaters, accessorized with witchy gemstone jewelry. Dark cottagecore decor reflects a similar vibe, featuring vintage furniture, dark nature-themed wallpaper, and spooky decorative elements like crystal altars and dried plants. Media inspirations range from films like Pan's Labyrinth to books such as Wuthering Heights, making this aesthetic not just about fashion, but a holistic lifestyle choice.